Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah! Panty and Rat Poison. Panty and lady. Lady, you don't want a Panty and Rat Poison.
No, thank you.
Buy a panty make the man see something new other than the bingo them where you wear go home every night.
Excuse me? What you know about me? Every night I met my man bingo and I'm quite happy.
Me hear you miss. But I bet you never see them panty what me got. Come take a look over here, son.
So what's so special about them panty here?
You ever hear about Victoria's Secret? A $2 of that me get from Georgia the other day.
Dirty boy, a woman use panty here try to sell me?
Lady, you want a flashlight? Why you move so dark? Georgia one place of foreign. And that's where me get the new shipment from.
How much for?
Alright, just because of you, me I go give you that one here for $1 grand.
$1 for one panty and a name brand?
Just $1,000 you want, so? Alright, how much you have?
$500.
Lady, 500? Alright, here what? Give me 800 and go on. Miss, the money dead now. Panty and Rat Poison.
What do you mean some money dead?
Miss, me say the money finished. Panty and Rat Poison.
Boy, give me my change.
Lady, which change you talk about? Check your goods. You get the goods them where you pay for a Panty and a Rat Poison.
Don't boy, I'm telling him I have rat problem on my yard.
Lady, listen me. You don't realize your skirt stuck in your panty now, your panty a show, and a beer hole in there. You need the Rat Poison. Panty and Rat Poison.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows production.
Radical epic. Epicflows. Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah!